processing. Together, let us continue to pioneer excellence and inspire innovations and shape the future of meat processing industry in the future. The journey that we have ahead may be challenging, no? As what I've said before.
Hello. Buglas Institute of Butchering and Slaughtering Corporation. Certificate of Recognition is awarded to Jersey Lemuel J. Silay for his outstanding performance as best given this 31st of August 2025 at National Building, San Jose Extension, Tacloban, Dumaguete City.
Outstanding student!
Si Kalik!
Congratulations, sir.
Tagay, plato nila, padulun. So, si brother ganyan, nagbahay siya ng naboy. Tagay, plato si sir. So, ba't may napabayi ko? Boy na, sir, pero girl na, brother. Brother! Padul mga brother. Plato, okay mo. Kapag mo yan,